How to make slime. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. You'll need something to mix with. We are using a spoon and a knife. You'll need 1 cup of water for the borax and half a cup of water for the glue. 1 full bottle of Elmer's glue. 1 borax.
Okay. And if you want, food coloring. Okay. So.
And just a tip for you guys, the water has to be warm, or else it won't dissolve correctly. So we're going to add our glue.
To the half cup.
Oh my gosh.
You got glue on the table, that's okay.
We can scoop it. And you want to put it in there? You want to make sure every ounce of glue goes in there. Hannah, if you want to get around to clean it up, so my Hannah just wants to get a thing to clean it up. I'm just squeezing the rest of the glue in here. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, here, come in. Sorry, press. Oh, press. Okay.
So sorry. This is what.
Okay, here, I'm going to take over now.
Oh, what? So sorry, guys. This is why we're not doing this one in my room. Because it makes a mess.
Okay. Okay, Presley, can I please see that rag? Can I see it? Thank you. That's okay. So, here, you
At
mix
this
this.
point, it should be like white water or basically really watery milk. Here, I'll mix the borax solution. I'll mix the borax solution.
Okay, let me just.
So, 1 teaspoon of borax, everyone. Right?
Yep, I'm just going to get it.
1 teaspoon of borax. It's hard to get.
Oh, here, let me dump it in the bowl real quick.
1 teaspoon of borax.
Yep, let me just get it into a bowl. It's kind of hard to get out of there. So, 1 second.
In a separate bowl. Oh, it's already starting to get like slimy.
Nice.
Good.
Okay.
So we added 1 teaspoon of borax, and now I will mix this.
And you want the borax to dissolve fully, and then once it's dissolved, you mix it together.
If it doesn't dissolve, then a good trick is to warm it up, and
Okay.
that helps dissolve it. But we already put warm water in here, but if you didn't,
Okay, keep mixing. It's not dissolved yet. You can see that big chunk right there.
so again, this
Can you
is
mix it a little
1
bit?
teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of water.
Come on, G.
And
Crazy.
this should be like really liquidy milk.
True.
Except you can't eat this, really.
Definitely not.
You know, you can make edible slime, but we're just making regular slime today.
I did not know that. Okay, it's almost.
And then once you mix them together, I think that's when you add the food coloring.
It is. Okay, almost dissolved. Sorry, it takes a little while.
If you want to, you could either use neon food coloring or regular food coloring, but we're using neon because I don't want to use. Hannah, does it say how many drops?
As many as you want, as dark as you want it. Oh, MG, here, let me help you.
Right. Sorry.
This is just
guys.
making a mess right now, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, what color do you want?
Sorry if this ends up being a long video. I want both the pinks. I'll put in 3 drops of each to start. Did the ball get him?
Almost.
Sorry guys, this might end up being a long video. And if it is,
Hey, that's okay. Because we're making the slime in real time. Okay.
5 minutes.
Well, too late. We're going to do that now. Okay, so.
Then you mix the 2 together. Yeah, all mixed up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some good one. Oh, bro.
Starting to become
On the
slime.
table. It's on the table.
It's okay. It's not going to stain or anything. It's just plain white.
But it's on good corn and on the table.
Oh, parsley.
Just pretend nothing happened, guys. And then three of the other color. We stir this
Carefully stir it.
carefully.
And you know what? We're going to move this from the little container to the bigger container.
It's still pretty liquidy, guys, so it's easy to pour.
True.
But it's starting to clump together.
Huh? Oh.
You just scraping.
Okay, and press these in with stuff now. Carefully.
And if you guys want, if you feel like it was a little too much water, then you can just dig out the slime.
Here, let me mix it a little bit.
This made a real pretty dark purple. Or not dark purple, but like dark pink.
Might have been too much water.
I don't know if you can see it, but
This is our slime.
I don't know if you can see it, but this is how our slime turned out. It's still pretty sticky, but
Yeah, there we go.
you just gotta keep working it with your hands until it becomes less sticky.
Okay.
Bye, you guys. Hope you do this at home. Not that you have to.
Bye.
Bye.